if you want to cast the screen from your OnePlus 15 to PC, then in this case what we can do is we can go to settings. Then over here we should be able to find cross-device connectivity or device connect. It can be named either this and that. And over here we can go to PC. Now we can use the OnePlus Connect in order to easily cast the screen on our PC. So let's go to our computer, open the browser and go to connect.oppo.com. And in here we should be able to find the download for Windows or macOS. So you can choose whichever suits you. Once you install the app, this is how it looks like, and we can actually sign into our OnePlus account. So if we select sign in, over here we can choose OnePlus, and it is actually recommended to use a OnePlus account because it is just much easier to connect like this. So if you don't have OnePlus account, you can create one, for example, on your OnePlus 15. In the main menu of settings at the top, you will find the sign in option. And in this case, we need to verify ourselves with the verification code. So let me quickly send it to my email, and then we can enter it over here and sign into our account. Alright, so once we sign in, we can switch to our phone, and over here we can go to add new device when we have multi-screen connect option, and we should be able to detect our PC quite easily. There we go. And we even have the cast to PC option right away. So if you want to, you can just tap over here, and we should be able to access the screen on our PC. Over here we can also choose what we want to cast. I'm just gonna choose the entire screen. And now if we switch to our computer, as you can see, we have the phone screen available over here. We can actually use our phone quite easily as well, so I can go through all of these options and manage whatever I want to do. Over here we have the sign-in page, of course, for our OnePlus account if needed. Let's actually go back to the home screen, and there we go. That is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.